Today starts new topic online classes. This topic is a very important to students. Be careful and requested point to students. Please video like, share, subscribe and bell icon press. Students on board write the very important points. Students be careful and please to see on board start the points. Today's the topics the F block elements. Students, today's the study briefly F block elements. What is F block element? F block element outermost to inners. F subset fill in electrons known as a F blocks elements. Okay? Or F blocks elements in study lanthanide and actinides, both series known as the F blocks elements. Or F block elements in study atomic number 58 to 71 and 90 to 103. This series in study elements known as a F block elements. Okay, students, please this explain as a points. Very important. Students, be careful and start the on boards. Write the points. Students, please to see. Starts F block elements. The two row of the element at the bottom of the periodic table. Periodic tables on bottom two row represent of the F block elements. Or bottom of the periodic table called the lanthanide atomic number 58 to atomic number 71, strontium to lutetiums and actinides 90 to liberiums 103 are characterized by the outer electronic configuration n-2 f1 to 14 n-1 d0 to 1 ns2. The last electron added to the each element is the filled in f orbital. Okay, modern periodic table in bottom two row denotes the lanthanide and actinides series known as a F block elements. F block elements outermost electronic configuration n-2 f1 to 14 n-1 d 1 to 0 ns2 known as a F block elements. F block element outermost electronic configuration n-2 f1 to 14 n-1 d1 0 to 1 and ns 0 to 2. F block elements. These two series of the element are hence called the inner transition elements or F block elements. Modern periodic table bottom in represent of the two rows. Inner outermost electronic configuration n-2 f 1 to 14 n-1 d 0 to 1 and ns2 represent electronic configuration outermost known as a F block elements, and F block elements bottom these two series of elements, hence called the inner transitions elements, known as a block elements. Students, this clear the topic? No doubts. Students, please take the pen and write the question. What is a block elements? Next question. Next question. The element Z is equal to 117 and 120 have a not yet been the discovered in which the finally group would you the place this the element and the also give the electronic configuration, in which case? Students, please solve this question and check the soon. Okay, thanks.